Ready for some sweet corn? Huh? Here we go. Here we go. Move your hand. You gotta move your hand. There. No, you don't like that? Not sure? Is it gross? Or is it too sweet for you? Do a little bit more? Yeah, is it funny? You like the first little bit? No? Well, you only got one more spoonful left here. And then you're all done. Oh boy, here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Yummy. Is it good? Ah, is it good? Mm. There. How's that? How's that? Yeah. See, I'm glad it's all done, Mom.